What's up, guys? It's Jacob Blank here. I'm going to be talking about how I've made $7 million wholesaling real estate. Guys, in my career of wholesaling real estate, I got started when I was 16 years old, and in just 2 years, by the age of 18, I made my first $1 million wholesaling real estate. I've now been wholesaling real estate for a little bit over 5 years, and in those 5 years, I've made $7 million. Guys, $7 million in 5 years wholesaling. Now, today's video, I'm going to break down my exact strategy on how I made all of these millions wholesaling. But I also want to tell you that I hold a free 1-hour mentorship call with me, a free 1-hour live training every week where I break this strategy down and I break my story and everything you need to know about wholesaling down way more in depth for you. So if you want to get on a 1-hour mentorship call with me, click the link down below in the description. In this 1-hour mentorship call with me, I'm going to show you step by step how to make $20,000 in the next 30 days using my proven 7-step wholesaling process. And if you're already doing deals or you've already done a deal before, I'll show you how to scale up so you can make multiple $20,000 a month deals consistently every single month. So with that being said, guys, click the link in the description down below, sign up for the next live training with me. I want to coach you. I hold one of these trainings every week. Spots do fill up fast though, so click the link down below. Check that out. Now, how did I make $7 million wholesaling, right? $7 million in wholesale deals. I've done over 500 wholesale deals. That's how I've made the $7 million. Now, it comes down to a very simple strategy. Now, I didn't have a mentor when I was first starting out, so it took me 8 months to get my first deal because I was doing all the wrong things. That's why I highly recommend you sign up for that live training down below so I can show you my 7-step process. You're going to learn a lot of it today, but I break it down more in depth in that live training. Now, that 7-step process is a complete game changer, but I didn't know that process initially. So I was trying all these different things. I was knocking on doors, passing out flyers, getting the door slammed in my face. I was putting up bandit signs, you know, those signs you see on telephone poles where it says, "We buy houses fast for cash, call me." I never got any calls. I was doing all the wrong things. It wasn't until I figured out a strategy that worked that I actually started to get results. So let's call it 5 months of failure of doing all the wrong things. Then I found out about this strategy, which is cold calling. With cold calling, you're able to reach way more homeowners than driving around and door knocking and driving for dollars and putting up bandit signs. With cold calling, you can reach hundreds and thousands of homeowners fast. But most people do cold calling wrong. They are hand dialing one by one, typing in the number, waiting for it to ring, nobody picks up. Typing in the number, waiting for it to ring, nobody picks up. Typing in the number, waiting for it to ring, nobody picks up. Trying to reach hundreds of homeowners like that, it's not gonna work. So initially I was doing that and I got no results. But then I found out about a multi-line dialer. Now, what a multi-line dialer does is it calls 12 people at once and it feeds you the people that answer. So that way every 30 seconds you're on the phone with somebody new. That's how you can talk to hundreds and thousands of homeowners fast and get deals fast. Now, I mentioned a 12-line dialer. When I first started, I was using the wrong dialer as well, a 3-line dialer. The Mojo dialer, that is no good. You want to be using the Ready Mode dialer. Ready Mode dialer dials 12 lines at a time, which is way faster. Once I got on the 12-line dialer, it only took me about 1 month, 30 days, to get my first deal. So I got on that multi-line dialer, I started sending more offers, and I finally got a property under contract here in Scottsdale, Arizona. I got it under contract for $400,000. This was about the time when I was 17 years old, and I sold it for $430,000. I made $30,000 on my first wholesale deal, okay? Now, to get to $7 million, I needed to invest my first $30,000 profit really well. So what I did was I took $5,000 of that first deal and I hired cold callers. Now, what that did for me was I was able to stop cold calling myself and outsource the cold calling. So I spent that $5,000 on cold callers. Each cold caller costs about $1,000 a month. I get my cold callers from launchva.com. Those are the cold callers I use, launchva.com. So I hired 5 cold callers. Now what that got me was it got me 3 more deals. It got me a $15K deal, a $20K deal, and it got me a $10K deal. So now I had made $45,000 by reinvesting $5,000. Now, just doing that wasn't gonna get me to the level of making millions of dollars. So I took the other 25K that I made on my first deal and I invested it in a mentor. Now, what this mentor did was they showed me how to scale up to get consistent, build out the systems and processes, so that way I could do multiple deals a month consistently and make $100,000 a month. Guys, that being said, if you want me to be your mentor, I don't charge anything close to $25,000. I make it really affordable for me to coach you. There's gonna be a link down below. I only take qualified people. I can't coach everybody. There's a link down below in the description to apply for mentorship with me. Then I implemented the systems, which is a CRM. A CRM is a client relationship management system. It is the house of a successful wholesaling business, the heart of a successful wholesaling business. What it does is it houses all your leads, it keeps track of all your follow-ups, it sends them automated texts and emails, you can generate contracts and send offers at the click of a button. This way your whole business becomes organized. So it was a side hustle until I implemented the systems. Now, the CRM I use for my wholesaling business is Wholesale CRM. Wholesale, S-C-A-L-E, scale. Wholescalecrm.com. If you want to take a look at the same CRM I use that helped me get to millions of dollars in wholesaling, go to wholescalecrm.com. So now that I got the $5,000 invested in the cold callers, spent the $25K on the mentor, they helped me set up all the systems, they helped me plan my full business out and give me a full business plan and a roadmap, then I now was able to scale up. So I had made $45,000. It took me about 3 more months to make this, okay? Now, I took that and I started spending $10,000 a month on cold callers. That gave me 10 cold callers. Now, what you'll know is every cold caller gets you 40 leads a month. And each wholesale deal is about 80 cold call leads equals 1 wholesale deal. So if I have 10 callers, that's gonna give me 400 leads a month. So if we divide that by 80, we're gonna get 5 deals a month. So I started investing $10,000 a month with 10 cold callers. That got me 400 leads a month. Each deal is about 80 leads to 1 deal. That got me 5 deals a month. Now, my average wholesale deal profit is around $15,000. So 15,000 times 5, that got me to make between 75 to 100K per month. Now my business was fully set up. I was making about 75 to 100 grand a month, investing 10 grand a month, and I started to get closer to making $1 million. I made my first $1 million and I went to 20 cold callers. Now I've been running my business since at 20 cold callers, making about 100 to 150 grand every month, and I've been making over $1 million a year wholesaling real estate. I've been doing this for the past 5 years. Every year, I've made over $1 million since my first year. My biggest year ever, I did just about $2 million. If you are starting from nothing, cold call yourself on the ready mode dialer. If you have money to invest, $1,000 gets you 1 cold caller from launchva.com. That 1 cold caller will get you a deal every 1 to 2 months. You get those cold callers, you start to do deals consistently, you implement the systems, you scale the marketing, spend more on marketing, invest, you scale, boom. Now you start making $1 million a year. Now, investing is like an ATM. For every dollar that I put into the machine, I get $10 back. So when I spend 10 grand, I'm making 100 grand a month. It's like an ATM. When you invest in yourself and invest in your wholesaling business, you put money into the machine and it prints you money back out. That's what I did. I created a machine, a system, processes that consistently gave me deals, and that helped me make the $7 million that I've made in wholesaling. So with that being said, guys, that's a little bit of a breakdown of my journey and the system that I use to get to where I'm at. Now, I know this is only a short 10-minute YouTube video, so I'm not able to go super in depth. But what I want to do is I want to invite you to a 1-hour free live training with me, 1-hour mentorship call with me, where I will break this down in depth, step by step for 1 hour and teach you how to make a bunch of money in real estate. So if you want to make $20,000 in the next 30 days and you're just starting out, I will show you how to get it done with my 7-step wholesaling process. We dived into some of my 7-step process, but I will break it down for you in 7 steps So if you want to learn my 7 steps, I need to see you on the call. There's limited spots. Click the link down below in the description. Sign up. I hold one of these free live trainings every week. Now, as a gift for sticking around to the end of the call, guys, since you're loyal and you stuck around, I want to give you something. So you can go to jacobblank.com/free and you can download my purchase contract and my assignment contract and my cold calling script for 100% free. All you got to do is go to jacobblank.com/free. Now, with that being said, I hope you guys found this video valuable of how I've made millions of dollars in wholesaling, and I hope that you can do the same. I'm rooting for you. Hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you have any questions about my journey or any questions about wholesaling, comment them down below. I'll be sure to answer. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.